is our thinking through the words in the newspaper. Now I'm going to try a demonstration that involves words, and I'm going to get a few of you involved from the audience. I usually throw these out, but I don't want to knock over any glasses, so perhaps can I throw it to you? Will you catch for me? Perfect. Fantastic round of applause for the lady. For you, sir. Fantastic, good catch. I know I caught you by surprise there. I think perhaps over here. As we go, and their very first choice will happen. Let me see, who can be involved? The gentleman over here, could you stand up where you are? Fantastic, your name, sir? Sorry? Mohit, lovely to see you. From where you are, I'm going to move my hand across the audience like this, and I want you just to relax and say stop at any point. So you say stop, but not over here, because there's nobody there. Okay, just a tip. Did you say stop? In this direction, yes? If someone has a newspaper in this direction, could you wave the newspaper for me? Fantastic, could you run and grab the newspaper that you chose and come and join me on stage? Round of applause for our volunteer. Fantastic, come on up, come on up. Thank you for your first choice, I appreciate that. We're going to do a few more choices. Which newspaper did you get? The Cape Times, good choice. I'm going to give you the Cape Times. Could you hold on to it for me for a moment? I also have, we'll use this one. This will be for you so we can hear your choices out loud. Are you happy with this newspaper? Yeah, sure. I like all the newspapers the same. I'm going to read through headlines from the newspaper, and at some point as I go, in the middle, somewhere in the newspaper, I want you to say stop when I'm reading a headline. So in the front we have Tamil family hails ruling, Paran next. Judge Steenkamp a revolutionary transformative? No, okay. Breakthrough in ShopRite murder? Stop, are you sure? So soon? Okay, it's up to you. You can see the headline you stopped on, yes? This is just to choose us a page. Could you take the page that you stopped on? One page from many pages in a newspaper. Our next choice. So we've had a choice of a newspaper and a choice of a page. Which page did you choose, this or this? This one here. Okay, I will get rid of the other page. This one, yes? And you can see it is a regular newspaper page. It has different headlines, it has some photographs, it has a range of different bits and pieces, yes? I tell you what, could you name a big number, say a number from 1 to 10? A new choice. 2, are you sure? I will try and, 2 is a very small number to tear it into, so I will tear 1, a few different times, let me see. Oh, that went pretty well. Maybe one more. Okay, and then I will deal, sorry, it's an extra bit. I will deal through the pieces until we get to the number. You said which number did you want? Piece number 2. Okay, it's very short. Number 1, number 2. Yes? Are you certain? Okay, fine. One piece of newspaper from many pieces of newspaper. Oh, there should be many words, but can you name a big word as part of a headline for me, if you could? Something people might be able to check or see. A nice big word.
Propaganda.
Out loud into the microphone for everybody.
Propaganda.
Propaganda, ladies and gentlemen. Propaganda. One word from, I don't know, 10 or 20. There's different headlines on the page, different words, different big words, yes? But you wanted propaganda. One word from 10 or 20 on a piece of paper. Propaganda. You can see it as there, propaganda. But this is just one piece of paper. Really, it is one word from hundreds on the page. But that was just one page. That really is one word from thousands in a newspaper, yes? But that is just one newspaper, the one you chose. There are many newspapers, so there are 10,000 words, and you chose the word propaganda. Propaganda. Ladies and gentlemen, who has a mystery? I have a mystery. Coming up, run up to the stage, give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Quick, the grand finale moment of the show. Perfect, I will take this from you. Thank you very much, sir, much appreciated. The grand finale moment of the show. One word, and one word only. Or you, can you hold this? Hold this one. Hold this one. Propaganda, ladies and gentlemen. Give them a big round of applause. Today's psychic Fantastic. You were amazing. I've been Stuart Lightbody. You have been wonderful. Thank you very much for your choices. Give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Do enjoy the rest of your